want to watch your Christmas. Come on now, Akeam. Maybe I want to watch your Christmas. And you literally gonna tell Jay, say, me, but you want to watch and I beg you fuck. You literally tell Jay, say, oh, me, but you watch and I beg you fuck. Akeam, come here. Me, you and Jay are your friend, man. Everybody know a piece. Can be your fuck. It's all the fact about where Diamond do want to lick down what day, yeah? Remember, Jay and Diamond go catch her over there with her foot dirty in your bed. So if you can have dirty foot, girl, in your bed and fuck, what wrong with me? You understand? Put away that. And a fuck stabby. Put away that. You literally take me for some look on numbskull. And I say your friend do him do what day, yeah. But I literally a chat around your friend them. Because if you don't rate me in a some type of way, where your friend do what day, yeah, he wouldn't do that. From now on, Negril, yeah, chat me. Because you're going to elephant man room and chat me. A elephant man tell me back every blood clotting where you say, I'm just hold my palm, my cool, I'm hold my composure. You understand? But, me get to understand, say, when I go up on the net, the poetry one different story. From now on, Negril, yeah, chat me. Because you're going to elephant man room and chat me. A elephant man tell me back every blood clotting where you say, I'm just hold my palm, my cool, I'm hold my composure. You understand? But, me get to understand, say, when I go up on the net, your poetry one different story. You know, my brother, you know, real.
But when I want to come on the internet, come attack one different side of people. Oh, if she send you the recording, the recording, the reach a road. You're not rate her. You sit down and you watch her. You sit down and watch the people them tear down. Jay, who you say is your brother. And you sit down and watch them tear me down enough for months and weeks. And make it look like I say we are the pussy against Rose. And you sit down and you watch the people them again tear down Diamond to nothing. And know so everybody will share tear down. And them have our back. But you see that with some man or woman. That's why I can't group up in a box every day. Because some man I go clown, you know. And some man I go clowning and sometimes I don't really know who real tuna or who the enemy them. Are you been the enemy round Rosalie? Akeam, are you been the enemy round Rosalie? All elephant man big artists in a mix up. All elephant man elephant man come. All elephant man in a mix up. All elephant man you go chat Rosalie with. Big artists. All elephant man you go talk argument with. You know sister you know rate Rose. You know sister you know rate Rose. You know what you do? You divide everybody from around her. You make it look like I'm me at the mix-up. When you make people make it look like I'm me at the mix-up. Like a Diamond at the mix-up. Like a Munch at the mix-up. Oh, me not to be one good somebody to Rose. And me call Rose and put her up on her girl and say be careful. Nobody never normally carry the argument outside of the circle. If something happen the whole way event. So if Diamond call me and I say something to her and me call Diamond and I say something to her, I saw it go. Because the whole always see it and shame for you and worry for you and concern for you. Nothing wrong with that. The whole always see it and concern for you. And say it no fear to you and we watch you go and make it look like say a Diamond. Everybody else the real to you. Who not real to you, you give them every highlight on the internet. You give them every highlight on the internet who not real to you. But everybody you want bring down. You want bring down Diamond. You want bring down me. You make the people and bring down Jay. Uno come. Me never tell you this. Me not run off the internet because of Uno. And that me know for sure. I me know say me never do Rosalie no bad. Me not run off of the internet because of Uno now wicked. And Akeam, you're wicked against Rosalie. You're wicked against Rosalie. And if it get more technical, me always have tangible evidence. Because me want my word to be my band. Uno no play with me. If you get it real technical, it's going to get technical. When I think somebody is so silent and nasty, don't take me and walk over and push over. Remember, me have the bomb them. Remember, a gun and a son and come and war with and stone. Remember, me have the, but don't play with me. Do not play with me. Don't play with me. Make I go to the end of series 1.